Hello aviation friends, welcome at Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. On this early morning I will be flying to Madeira again with Transavia. This time though, it is a family holiday. Transavia prepared the 14-year-old Boeing 737-800 PH-HSA for us. We push back simultaneously with another Transavia flight.
Tighten it and unfasten it. In case the cabin pressure drops,
the crew prepares to start the two CFM International 56-7B engines.
Sit down immediately and pull a mask towards you. This will start the oxygen flow. Take off your own face mask and place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust the headband and breathe normally. Put on your own mask first before assisting children or others. The life vest is located under your seat. Only when instructed to do so, unpack the life vest, slip your head through the opening, pass the strap around your back, attach it to the clip at the front, and pull the strap. At the doorway, inflate the life vest by pulling the red tag. The life vest can be re-inflated by blowing into the tube. In the event of an evacuation, follow the illuminated escape path to the nearest exit. The emergency exits are located in the front of the cabin, over the wings, and in the rear of the cabin. During an evacuation, all hand luggage shall be left behind in order to leave the aircraft as quickly as possible. A safety instruction card can be found in the seat pocket. Review the content of this card, which includes the brace for impact position before takeoff and landing. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention, and on behalf of the entire crew, I wish you a pleasant flight.
Dames en heren, uiteraard ook namens mij bedankt voor uw aandacht. Vanwege standaardprocedures zullen wij de cabineverlichting dimmen voor de start en de landing. Kent de leeslamp in het paneel boven het hoofd. Namens Transavia en de gele bemanning wens ik u een prettig verblijf bij ons aan boord naar Funchal. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. Due to standard procedures, we will dim the cabin lights before takeoff and landing. You will find a reading light in a panel above your head. On behalf of Transavia and the entire crew, wish you a pleasant stay on board with us to Funchal.
Ja, we waren ook al aan het... Ja, dat gaat snel, hè? Zo. Dat gaat beter. Toch, Billy? Lijkt wel meer ruimte ook weer.
We are using runway 24, also known as the Kaagbaan, to leave Schiphol this morning. The crew wastes no time and goes for it. Still very dark outside as we climb away from Schiphol. where the first bits of sunlight are already visible. We have an interesting flight path. First heading west towards the UK and then slowly heading south over the North Atlantic Ocean. Above the UK I spotted some other flights. Here are a Delta Airbus A330-200 on the right and a FedEx Boeing 777 freighter on the left. Sadly a bad shot, but this is a Lufthansa Airbus A340-300. Next I saw this United Boeing 787-10. And got pretty good footage of this Air France Boeing 787-9. Boeing 737 flies smoothly as we cruise above the North Atlantic Ocean. After a while, we got a glimpse of northern Spain and Portugal. But most of the flight we got to enjoy different cloud formations.
landing.
Fast forward a bit, and we are descending towards Madeira and preparing for landing. I always love a bit of cloud surfing. And very briefly, we see some rock formations underneath us. There is the island of Madeira. We are flying the approach to runway 05, famous for the sharp right-hand turn which is coming up soon. You can see the airport there as we fly past it. Let's see how the final turn and landing goes. Meanwhile, my friend Pedro from Madeira Airport Spotting is live streaming and filming my landing. very nice landing, followed by pretty heavy braking. We are now going to make a 180 on the runway and head to the airport terminal.
Dames en heren, hartelijk welkom ter luchthaven van Funchal Madeira. Ik verzoek u vriendelijk te blijven zitten met uw stoelriem gesloten, totdat het teken stoelriem met vast boven je hoofd weer is uitgedaan. Mag uw telefoon en andere apparatuur weer inschakelen. Als u zo dadelijk wederom bij het openen van de bagagevak en er kan nog steeds wat bagage uitvallen, controleert u ook alstublieft voordat u uitstapt dat u geen van uw persoonlijke eigendommen bij ons aan boord achterlaat. Neem u namens de gezagvoerder Pushback en zijn gehele bemanning. Als hij het van u hoopt dat u plezierig vlucht met ons heeft gehad vandaag en zien u uiteraard graag weer gezond terug bij ons aan boord. Wij wensen u een heel fijn verblijf toe op het eiland Madeira, wellicht een goede doorreis of een wel thuis. Ik dank u voor het vliegen met Transavia. Graag tot ziens. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Funchal Airport. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. You may switch on your telephone and other devices now. Be careful again when opening the overluggage compartments and luggage could float. Please check that you do not leave any of your personal belongings on board. On behalf of the Captain Pushback and his entire crew, I'd like to say goodbye to you now. We hope you have enjoyed your flight with us today and we look forward to see you healthy aboard again soon. We wish you a nice stay or safe onward or homeward journey. Thank you for flying Transavia. Goodbye.
The scenery at Madeira never disappoints. Big thank you to Pedro from Madeira Airport Spotting for the amazing footage of our landing. His content from Madeira Airport is amazing. Check his channel out, which you can find in the video description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Even though this is a family holiday, I did do a bit of spotting, so stay tuned.
Okay, be careful, disarm slides.
Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.